Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Nur Izzatil Hasanah as a representative from my team from UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. In this occasion, I would like to present our article, and the title is Language Learning to Earth Caring, Integrating Environmental Awareness in Teaching English to Young Learners. Okay, this research is motivated by the limitation of integration environmental awareness in English language teaching practices, especially for young learners in terms of material depth, ecological perspective, and local cultural relevance. This issue is very important because education, including ELT, play a strategic role in supporting the global sustainability agenda. Learning English can be used not only to learn a language, but also to understand environmental issues, think critically, and for young learners, it can become responsible children. If not taught properly, children will only know a little about environment but not truly care. Education is currently viewed as a central to fostering environmentally responsible and globally conscious citizen. And in Indonesia, this educational shift is increasingly supported by the independent curriculum and the Pancasila student profile. Both explicitly promote the instilling of moral values regarding nature through curricular and school cultural initiative. However, ELT materials still lack in-depth discussion of environmental issues and do not integrate local wisdom, resulting in a mismatch between policy and classroom implementation. Therefore, the objectives of this research is to investigate the integration of environmental awareness in English language teaching practices for young learners and to analyze the contribution of environmental awareness integration to the development of learners' linguistic competence and ecological attitude. The method of this research is qualitative with exploratory research design. And the source of data are EFL instructional modules and relevant academic literature. The source of data criteria in this research, the first is relevant to sustainability education. The second aligned with Indonesian curriculum. Then published between 2018 until 2024. Then address SDGs, environmental issues, or local ecological wisdom. And the last, relevant to school level ELT or relevant to young learner. And then to analyze the data, the researcher structure coding, including initial coding, categorization, thematic interpretation, and iterative analysis to identify pattern. The finding of this research is in integrating environmental awareness into English language teaching for young learners, learning activities are designed in meaningful ways to increase student motivation in learning English while also building their environmental awareness. It can be integrated into some activities. They are role play, storytelling, group discussion, and also project-based tasks. And then, in integrating environmental awareness into English language teaching for young learner can contribute into some point. The first, enhancement of communication language skill. Second, meaningful contextualization of language learning. And the last, development of ecological awareness and responsible attitude. Based on the finding, there are 3 points that can we identify. The first, the shift toward contextualized and ASD in EFL materials. The second, an eco-linguistic perspective, language as a tool for environmental meaning making. And the third, positioning young learner as an agent of environmental change. Okay, this is the conclusion. In integrating environmental awareness in ALT, provide meaningful pedagogical benefit beyond language development. Learning become more contextual, engaging, and relevant through activities such as role play, storytelling, group discussion, and project-based tasks. This enhanced student communicative competence, especially in vocabulary development, listening comprehension, basic speaking skill, also positioning young learner as agent of environmental change. Maybe that's all my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.